Today we are working on these beasts of commercial dryers, and there's not a big job here, but those latches here, they broke and they don't hold the door closed properly. You can see it more clearly here. It's kind of fully broken, so we'll just be replacing those units, and that'll be it. Just a little bit of a maintenance for those big units. This one actually doesn't look so bad, but we'll replace it anyway, just to make sure those units are back and running and they don't have a lot of issues, because there is a lot of laundry going through those beasts. Okay, so we are almost done. So we replaced this one here and this guy here. Whoever worked on it in the past, they drilled big holes, and so we couldn't put the actual original screws, and so just to save it, we had to put bigger screws, which is not going to affect the door opening or closing, but we kind of had no choice, because the body here that had the holes in, whoever replaced it in the past, they left the bigger holes, and so the actual original parts for the unit would not fit anymore. So we had to adjust and calibrate to the situation, and we are done 5 out of 6. We have just one more here and we'll be done. Okay, so this one is the only one that this is the original holes, and so we put it with the original parts to hold it in place. But unlike the other ones, we had to use some different type of screws because the holes were bigger. So now it's all sitting tight and solid, so it would not be moving. But only 1 out of 6 that was never replaced, and I'll put them a new one.